Jan crack. Oh no, I'm back. It's my shit Dan, and I've been here teaching you beginners Ulster Irish. I'm going to say this in every video now. If you're stumbling upon me for the first time, now is not the right lesson. You probably need to go all the way back to the start. But I've put them all in a handy playlist on the profile, or if you don't have to tap on the profile, just tap below. It says playlist beginners Ulster Irish. Why am I doing this? I'm doing this from Human Revision. I am a learner myself. But from the around about 12,000 people that follow me, I must be doing okay. So if I'm doing okay, I will help you do okay as well. So, with some of the pleasantries out of the way, Gia Deva Cordia, Gia Deva Cordia, it's hello to you all, hello all my friends. G'day Moratatu, that's how you, right now. G'day Moratatu, how are you? Give me an answer. I bet you took the easy route and said Tammy Gomoy. Apart from one of my followers, Gemma, who will say either Tammy Go Hulk or Inné Go Hulk. Whatever you said, well done. Even if you just said Go Hulk or Go Moy, that's acceptable. Some people, when they're walking in the street in the Gael talk, will just say Go Moy, Go Moy. And your response is Go Moy. It's just like saying, well, and somebody going, well. So when I'm talking to you, that's fine. But what if I ask you something a bit more direct then? And will to go moy. And will to go moy well. And will to go moy in you. Are you well today? It's two things you're going to tell me. You're going to tell me ta me go moy. Or you can say ta. Because remember, it's a cheat code. Or you can say Neil me go moy. Or Neil. Or if you want to beef it up a little bit, the same with, J more tattoo. You can also say Neil me go Hulk. Neil me go Hulk. I'm not bad. I'm not bad. If you want to ask me how I am, you can just say August to him. August to him. And yourself. August to him. And yourself. August me him. And myself. August to him. And yourself. August shiv him. And yourselves. August shade him. And themselves. So remember, we learned the importance of learning the pronouns. Pronouns are very, very important. So just as a reminder, you have me, to, she for he or it, she for her, she, mudge, like mud and fudge, mudge, fudge that one up, mud and fudge, mudge, that's for we, shiv for you plural, or Belfast you say usums, shade for they. And then where you want to say an actual person, like a person's name, like me, like Dan, you wouldn't need to put a pronoun. So you just replace wherever the pronoun goes, just replace that with Dan. So let's move on and talk about the past tense now. So the past tense was an row to go away. An row to go away and you. Were you good today? Were you well today? An row Dan go away and you. Was Dan well today? Was Dan good today? He rode Dan go more than you. Dan was not good today. Feed Dan go more than you. Dan was good today. And now the future tense. And may to go more than you. Be may go more than you. Be may go more than you. Ni ve may go more than you. Ni ve may go more than you. So for anybody that's got this for, let me give you a new word. Inné. Yesterday. Inné. Yesterday. If you're talking about yesterday, what tense are we going to talk in? It's going to be the past tense because it happened. So it's going to be an row question. Unless your name is Marty McFly or Doc Brown. So apart from those two gentlemen, it's going to be an An Road question for everybody. An Road to Gomoy Inné. An Road to Gomoy Inné. Were you good yesterday? Or were you well yesterday? V or Nero? I'm going to give you another word. Amárach. 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 Sounds like tomorrow, and it is amárach. So amárach is in the future. So we're going to use an Inné question for it. And I'm going to give you another new word, which is a gobber. A gobber. A gobber. Egg obber. Egg obber. You see that AG? Sort of like egg, ag, egg, ag. I haven't really learned yet where to use egg and where to use ag. But for now, either one of those is acceptable. Try and go for an egg, like egg, or egg. An may to egg upper amárach. An may to egg upper amárach. An may to egg upper amárach. And that means, will you be working tomorrow? An may to egg upper amárach. The answer is B. I will. And if we were talking about it in the past, An row to egg upper. Inné, were you working yesterday? V or Nero? An will to egg upper in you. Are you working today? Tá mé ag upper in you. I am working today. Ní mé. Níl mé. Níl mé ag upper in you. Ac. Ac. For but. Fí mé ag upper inné. Agus. Bé mé ag upper amárach. So now we can actually say, I'm not working today, but I was working yesterday and I am working tomorrow. I think we're going to leave it at there. Pretty long lesson, but very, very important that we practice those. Remilgov and slam for now.